In May, the European Union allowed Ukraine's 5 neighbors to ban domestic sales of Ukrainian wheat, maize, rapeseed, and sunflower seeds, while allowing transit of such cargoes for export elsewhere. We support a ban on imports into our countries until the end of the year, and this is our strong conclusion, which we repeat once again, that the ban should be extended till the end of the year, and this is our strong stand, all of us, and we will present our position to the European Union. I also want to say that even if it fails, and it was clearly heard during our meeting today, some countries, not all of them declared it today, but some countries will introduce their own restrictions. Poland will do it for sure, Hungary will do it for sure, and also Slovakia mentioned that they are thinking about it. The 5 countries' agriculture ministers also agree that they support grain transit subsidies and want other products to be added to the list of import bans, such as raspberries in the case of Poland.